This is what's left after Hurricane Katrina. We lived right on this slab. Right there. As you can see, there's nothing left. This guy just spent thousands of dollars building. What you see left is an addition he just built. What was in front of it was the house he built on too. So you see what was built better. It's wicked. Now walk with me this way. This is what's left of our neighborhood. Ain't much. Totally leveled. I just can't believe that was our place right there. Uncle Randy, we got your bike. I got a couple other nicks and knacks that we found we're going to bring back. The vet that was across the street. Alright, let me walk with you this way and explain something. There's some old people's houses through there. On the opposite side of the road. There was a big 2-story house right here, up and down. You had 1, 2, 3 cottages, a duplex, another duplex, a little cottage across there, a duplex, a house and a house. And that's all that's left.